Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Remove any ear tips and clip the cable to avoid tugging. Use a small Phillips or flat pry to split the inline remote seam. Do this gently to avoid plastic latches. Once done, spread the halves and inspect the board and button assembly. Look for green corrosion, displaced springs, or a loose ribbon. Make sure to note which wire goes where. Take a photo if needed. This initial teardown is crucial because it shows whether cleaning will suffice or if a component must be replaced. Once you see the switch, determine the failure mode, grime versus mechanical wear. If contacts look dirty, dab 90% isopropyl on a swab and gently clean the pads and plunger, then blow dry with compressed air. If the rubber membrane or tactile switch is broken, desolder the old part and replace it with an identical tactile switch. This restores the original click and contact. Make sure to use flux and a fine tip iron, otherwise pins can bridge. After replacing, reseat the membrane and test before reassembly. Reassemble the remote carefully, aligning the membrane and any springs, then close the case and apply light pressure. Plug into a device and test every function, play, pause, track skip, so you confirm consistent operation. If the button is intermittent, reopen and reflow the solder joints and inspect the cable at the entry for micro fractures. Make sure the strain relief holds the cable without bending. One last tip: if you have doubts, fit a known good switch first. This prevents wasting time sealing a faulty replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.